Hello everyone, I am Tracy Sarapsiason, your financial educator. Ngayon, pag-uusapan natin about financial education. Kasi, alam naman natin na hindi ito tinuturo sa eskwelahan, sa bahay, even sa ating mga trabaho. And of course, meron tayong guidebook kasi baka sabihin nyo, gawa-gawa ko lamang ito, okay? So, we have the blue book titled The Secret to Saving and Building Your Future. Become your own financial educator. So, dito, tuturuan ka na ikaw ang magiging financial educator sa sarili mong pera at hindi yung ibang tao. Alright? So, do you know about Brother Bo Sanchez? So, Brother Bo Sanchez ay isang spiritual guru. But here in IMG community, he is also a financial educator, spreading financial education to all Filipino families. So at the back of this book states that financial education is not just for the wealthy. It is for everyone. So ano ba ang mga sekreto ng mga mayayaman? Bakit patuloy silang yumayaman? At yung mahihirap ay patuloy pa rin naghihirap. So on the page 11 states, when it comes to securing and saving their money, many good people fail, smart people fail, hardworking people fail, young people fail, old people fail, doctors, teachers, even engineers. Many end up retiring without enough saving. Why? These people don't set out to fail. They do because they fail to plan and manage their personal finances. Wala namang gustong maging failure, di ba? Meron lang mali sa ginagawa natin. Nung maliit ang sahod, napagkasya ang lahat. Pero nung lumaki ang sahod, bakit kulang pa rin, di ba? Kasi tumaas din yung expenses mo. Kahit mga di kailangan, nabibili na. Especially, may nakita kang sale. Naghahabol na makamura o makadiscount. Tama? So, Proverbs 21:5, good planning and hard work leads to prosperity, but hasty shortcuts leads to poverty. Sa verse na ito, tinuturo sa atin ang halaga ng pagpaplano at pagiging masinop sa paghawak ng pera. Kapag tayo ay maingat at matiyaga sa paggawa ng plano para sa ating mga finances, tiyak na magdudulot ito ng magandang resulta. Pero kapag ikaw ay nagmamadali tayo at walang plano, madalas tayong nauurong sa ating mga layunin at maghihirap. Ito ay isang paalala na hindi sapat ang pagiging masipag lamang. Kailangan din nating magplano at maging disiplinado sa ating pera. Okay? So, getting to know the basic financial concept. So, your future is not in the hands of your employer, your union, or broker. Your future is in your hands. Kung anong gusto mong marating sa buhay mo, pagsusumikapan mo. Okay? So, our future is in our hands. Why? First, you are the one who makes money. Okay? Ikaw ang magpapakahirap kung paano kumita ng pera. Tama? Second, nasa kamay mo rin kung magkano ang maisisave mo sa perang natatanggap mo. Third, nag-grow ba yung pera mo kung saan mo ito nasisave? And lastly, you are the one to protect your money. Without proper knowledge about financial education, how to save and invest your money, mabilis kang masascam. Kasi wala kang alam kung paano ito gumagana. Yung iba naniniwala agad na after 3 months, 6 months, doble na yung pera mo. Walang ganon. Except na lang kung ikaw yung nagtatrabaho nito sa traditional business, okay? So, ano man ang status mo ngayon, learn how to manage your money. Kasi kung ikaw walang plano, yung SM, Lazada, Shopee, Timo, ay may plano sa pera mo. So, if you want full details of my discussion, just message me directly to attend financial literacy coaching for free. And don't forget to follow my page, IMG International Marketing Group, Iloilo City. Thank you and see you for the part 2.